Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Health, Beauty and Mind by Raj. Today I'm going to make Pani Puri Pani and sweet chutney from tamarind. Stay tuned, I'll share the ingredients first. For that Pani Puri Pani, to make with the mint, the actual pani that we use for the Pani Puri, we need some tamarind pulp, which is the fresh pulp from the tamarind, coriander, green chilies, a very small piece of ginger, it's very finely sliced, some jaggery, good, and obviously mint. This is the best part. So all we need is the blender. So you put mint and excuse the noise at the back, it's Arya and everyone else is talking. I just wanted to share the recipe, so I decided to make. So I'm gonna just add everything in there. Everything is in the blender. All we have to do is just blend everything together and then add all the spices after. Let's just blend this first. This is here we have the paste from all the ingredients I used. So I'm going to add that into my glass jar, a jug, to make the water. So from the spices all I need is salt as per taste and Pani Puri masala. I would use about 2 tablespoons. It depends how much spices you want, how much flavors do you want in your water. I'm just gonna go more than 2, and we're just gonna add icy water in it, and our water is ready. Here is my chilled water. I'm going to add that into the paste and it will be all ready. As I said, you can make the paste in bulk and then keep it, either you can freeze it or keep it in the fridge for a few days if you want to have Pani Puri the next day or in a few days time. If you want to keep it for longer, I would suggest you to freeze it, the paste itself, and then use it as you want to use. And here is our water, super delicious. So my Pani Puri Pani is ready. This is so delicious, my favorite, and it's actually really fresh from fresh ingredients, and it's Kaisha's favorite as well. Pani Puri is her favorite, and I
just had a shower.
I have my video partner back.
Yay! I just had a shower and I'm all fresh. Hello.
Okay, so Kaisha's gonna do the test. Oops, sorry.
That is very good.
Yummy?
You dropped it all over me and I just had a shower.
Alright, how was it?
That was good.
Good? Let's make the chutney now?
I can't wait. Yes.
Yes? Okay, let's go. Look at all these ingredients, Kaisha. They look so yummy.
I know.
So, for the meaty, sweet tamarind chutney, the red one goes on top of the... So, we're about to make the sweet tamarind chutney. Me and Kaisha are going to show you the ingredients now.
Yes.
And this is the chutney which goes on top of the stuffing that we put in the puri. So, the red one. So let's make it.
Yes.
I like to make it from scratch. You can also buy it from the stores as well. I'll show you which one you can buy.
I just want to eat it already.
Let's make it. So here are the yummy ingredients. We have jaggery, tamarind, fennel seeds, carom seeds, and some amchur powder, which is this amchur powder. You can get this from the Indian store.
And on the stove, we've just got 2 cups of water in this pot.
And what do we have to do now? What do you think?
Add all the ingredients.
That's it. Let's just put everything together. Carefully.
We don't need to blend anything?
No.
Oh.
Put everything together. Come on.
Come on. Get in.
Get in and all the amchur powder.
And make sure when you're doing this, your hands are clean.
Hands are clean.
Which mine are.
That's it. You just had a shower now.
Yeah.
Okay, all we have to do is just, can you get a spoon for me?
Yep.
Just mix everything, let it boil, and reduce the water to up to the thick consistency we want. We'll show you when it's done. While the chutney is boiling, I mean the tamarind and other ingredients are boiling, we will make what, Kaisha?
The stuffing with the
Stuffing
aloo.
with the aloo for the puris,
puri.
which is golgappe. We call golgappe.
Yes.
Okay, let's show the
It's the
ingredients.
best good thing ever.
Yummy, yummy. We all love that. Can we? Shall we start?
Yes.
Look at that.
It's so cute.
Cute. Looks
Yummy.
good. Yummy.
So we got some mashed and boiled.
Mashed first or boiled first?
Boiled and then mashed potato.
Okay,
we
so
got some-
which one is the potato?
This.
Okay, the white one.
The white
Yeah,
one.
sure. Point, yeah. And what's the... Yeah, the small ones. What are those?
Chickpea.
Yeah, you're right.
Boiled.
Yep, boiled chickpeas.
That's coriander
Yep.
and onion.
Okay, so let's repeat. Boiled and mashed
Potato.
boiled chickpeas, onions.
And coriander. I always say cauliflower.
Yes, now let's add the spices.
Yes.
Alright, so we add salt.
Salt. Look at all these colors.
Ooh, nice. Salt. Yeah. We need one more. So we added 2 teaspoons of
salt?
sugar. Salt. Salt, and we're gonna add some of the paprika just for the color.
This
Yeah, that should be enough. Yeah, that should be enough.
makes it very
And a
red.
little bit of garam masala. Not too much.
Yeah.
Yep, that should be enough.
Look at all that. That's
And
so
let's just
cool.
mix everything together.
Yes. So Mum is mixing because I'll make a big mess.
I'm sure you will.
There'll be none left in the bowl and it'll be all over the counter. So the stuffing is ready and it looks so yummy. So let's check if the chutney is ready now. Okay. Is it done yet, Mum?
What do you think? Still very runny.
Yes.
So we have to wait until it reduces to about this this quantity.
Yes.
This much.
It smells.
I mean this much. What is this much? Really? Come on, Raj. I
This
mean
much?
maybe small bowl. Yeah.
It smells like when you make that jar for us when our stomachs hurts.
Because it has ajwain and salt in
yes.
it. Yeah, good girl.
It's so dark.
That's it, because it's tamarind and jaggery.
So we'll wait for a bit longer.
It's gonna take a bit longer because it's gonna boil and boil and boil.
Okay.
Sorry guys, I forgot to add salt in it, so I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt. And here goes. That's it. So our chutney is ready. What do we have to do now, Kaisha? We have to drain it. Yes, Tamanna? What do we have to do?
Drain it.
Tamanna is also learning how to make chutney. She doesn't want to learn. Okay, that's it. So we have to just wait now. Long wait. Let's show you what's coming down.
Oh.
Just wait. So we just have to get the pulp,
Oh.
kind of.
I was gonna say, why do we need the liquid?
No, it will be all pulpy. At the bottom, can you see like this?
Yeah.
No, it's not gonna be that runny.
Now let's wait.
We'll show you the final. So how this works is you have to squeeze all the pulp out. It's a bit time consuming, but you will get a nice yummy
There's
chutney.
barely any left now.
But you have to, no, I'll show you something. Ready? Look at this.
Oh.
This is the chutney. See?
So you need the bottom part,
See, now it's there.
not
Can you
this
see
part.
it? Yeah. This is
Oh,
what we want. Oh,
yeah.
that's what you thought. You were
I
like,
thought we needed this. I'm like, why is it that pulpy?
you know what? I still use this because I love tamarind. If you are Indian watching, you will know that we used to eat imli de gole. And it
Oh.
Remember, Kashi, you also tried when
Yeah.
we went to India, and this tastes like imli de gole, and I'm gonna eat the rest of the imli.
Yeah, you used to do that all the time when we made
I
golgappe.
love imli. What's imli? Tamarind.
Tamarind. I thought it was like those little dates things.
No, it's tamarind. Okay, so this is it. So you can keep squeezing and taking this out.
Can I have a go, Mum?
That's enough. Ooh,
Oh,
so
okay.
yummy.
You sure there's none left?
And actually, I'm gonna try this as well. This is actually really nice.
Is it healthy?
Oh my god,
Is it healthy?
it's really yummy. My goodness, reminds me of India now.
But is it healthy?
Not really.
Naughty mama.
It's just snacks, street food. Not everything has to be healthy, okay? We need to enjoy life too. Indian street food, love it. Let's now put everything together.
The flies even love this food.
So we're gonna put everything together and show you how we make final pani puris.
Yep. Of course, to make golgappe, you actually need the golgappe part, which is
Puris, like puri or golgappe, whatever. Everyone calls it
this is what
different.
brings it all together.
That's it. We just bought them from the shop.
Yes.
You
I
can
can't wait for them to
You
be
can make
finished.
them at home, but I don't have time with 3 kids, so I just buy them.
Why
from
not
the
just
shop.
buy them?
And they're yummy. They're very nice.
Yes.
I'm just trying to be. I'm not miser, but I'm just trying to take every
She's trying to get every little drop out of there. But there's still more
But it's
coming.
coming.
Yeah.
I'm not like
So we've got our chutney.
it's
Our
going less and
water?
lesser. Look.
Yeah, it is.
So that's what the part is. It just takes
Ow.
longer, but it's really nice.
Stuffing and our golgappe.
Golgappe.
I can't wait. Tried doing what Mum was doing and nothing came out for me.
Sorry, I'm still eating.
You're still eating. Okay, the next step
I
is
shouldn't be eating too much. It's so yummy, but
it does look yummy, but I'm not like
Try.
tamarind. That is very sweet,
and
a bit sour.
I love it.
Oh, it's actually quite good. Next step is to put everything in the golgappe. Right, Mum?
Yeah, let's do it.
That's my favorite part.
So let's just put everything together. I'm going to add the stuffing into the golgappa or puri, if you want to say puri, and so I keep stuffing the golgappas.
The way you set everything out sort of looks like a Minnie Mouse.
Oh yeah, ears.
If you just pull this down,
Yeah, okay.
it'll be like Minnie Mouse.
So let me quickly wash my hands.
Yep. And I'm guessing the next part is chutney.
This is our chutney we made. Yeah.
Yes.
See how thick it is now?
Yeah.
You can buy this from the shops, but this is fresh.
Yeah.
It doesn't take that long.
And it makes the
It has nice flavors.
chutney and this is a very good combination.
Oh yeah. I can't wait.
It looks so yummy. Stop making me
How
so
many
yummy.
kaisha can you eat? How many golgappa do you eat?
I literally eat
2 plates like that.
2
More
plates,
than that?
like at least 2.5 plates of this many.
So here it is. Woo! Who's gonna do the test?
Me.
Okay.
Definitely me.
I'll get Arya.
Chamcha
So Dad just came, so I'm gonna ask Dad to try.
Master Chef Judge.
Judge. Okay, I'll just dip this in. Easier. And Dad is going to try. Here you go, Daddy.
देखोगे तूने?
Sara kha lo. Eat the whole thing. Nice.
Beautiful.
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 Now Kaisha's turn.
I need a small one.
Small one? Okay, I'll give you this one. Ready?
Not too much because I always get it everywhere.
Okay, let's put the whole thing in your mouth, okay?
Ready?
Ari
Ready?
now.
1, 2. Yummy?
Very nice.
I'll give everyone a plate. Yeah?
I'm
More
going
Kaisha?
Yes.
Okay. So Kaisha loves it, Dad loves it. Let's make it for everyone. Some people also like to add bundi in the water in Pani Puri Pani. We can also add. I don't do that very often, but yeah. Why not?
It's like a mini golgappe.
I don't know, maybe it just gives the crunch.
They look like mini golgappe.
I know, maybe it just gives the crunch. Ooh, I can't wait to eat this. How was it, Ronnie?
Dad already fit.
Amazing.
How was it?
Look at me.
Need a tissue?
It's all in your
He
beard.
said he didn't want any now. He's coming for some more, I think.
Are you coming for more?
Yep.
Look at him, he's all messy. So how was it, Ronnie?
He always
Reviews?
moves on his singlet.
Yummy, yummy? Okay.
10 out of 100.
Oh, he's stealing more.
10 out of 100?
100 out of 10.
Oh, okay, there we go. I was like, 10 out of 100? Where did that 80% go?
He's yummy.
Oh, 90% go. He put it all in his mouth.
Alright, enjoy and let us enjoy.
Yeah, I'm gonna ask my mum to try.
Oh, me?
Because she's always cooking, she's always doing everything for the family, and she never really does it herself.
Oh,
So let's see if mum likes it. Well, of course she's gonna like it, but
Yeah, maybe not.
let's.
Let me try.
I love when she puts the water in, it's so satisfying. She doesn't ever spill it, I always get it everywhere.
Ready?
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, she stuffed it.
Mmm.
It's the best thing ever. It's the best. Goes in your mouth and just you chew it and it melts with all the water.
Oh my god. No, I have to go. I have to eat.
We
It's
have
so
to
yummy.
eat.
Yeah, you can also use yogurt as well. I didn't use like it's called Dahi Puri. Dahi is yogurt, so you can add yogurt as well. But you
That's
have
what
to,
they do in the Indian restaurants.
in the restaurants you can get that, but you can make it at home. For that, I can quickly tell you what you need to add in the yogurt. Beat the yogurt with the whisk, make it smooth, add salt, a bit of sugar, and roasted cumin seeds, crushed. That powder, okay? So roasted cumin seeds, powder,
Crushed.
crushed or powder, yeah, powder in the yogurt, and that's it. Or you can add chaat masala as well if you don't have cumin seeds. And then you add on top of the potatoes, and then you add the chutney and then the water. You don't need the water, but you can add.
Yes, but it's always nice and juicy with the water.
Yes, that's right.
And yummy.
So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, if you didn't understand any of the steps, just comment below and I will answer
be
that
in the
question.
description.
Yes, because we've been talking a lot. When
Yes.
we mother-daughter work in the kitchen,
We
talk
don't
a lot.
stop talking. But also, the water is almost a key part to it.
Yeah, this is fresh from scratch and it's healthy. This one is healthy.
Yes.
I add ginger, so it's nice and digestive.
Yep.
Thank you. Give me lots of love by commenting and subscribe to my channel.
There we go. It came out in the end.
Yeah, subscribe to my channel, which I always forget to ask everyone to do that. Like the video if you like it and share it if you think anyone else needs to know how
And
to
also
make.
turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my mum's videos when she posts a new one.
I'm not good at telling everyone what to do. It's Kaisha's duty now. I think I've got to. I'm gonna hire her to do that at the end.
All you have to do is subscribe, like, share, comment, and turn on notifications. 5 things. That's it. Subscribe, share, like, comment, and turn notifications. And click the bell button.
Bye.
Bye.
And also excuse all the mess behind because we are in the process of cleaning the house
Yeah.
and it's all messy.
Yes.
Thank you.
Bye.